Have you ever had a painter that you were relying on not show up to site? I'm gonna give you 3 tips to help improve the chances that that doesn't happen again. Now, step 1, have your painters respect you. Now, respect is earned, not given. If you're a bad boss, if you're unreliable, if you don't follow through on your promises or what you say you're gonna do, your painters are not gonna respect you, and that's gonna increase the likelihood that they're not gonna show up on site because they don't take your job opportunity seriously. The second is create a job opportunity that they're excited about. Create a piece rate or profit sharing compensation model for them so that they have opportunity to participate in the upside of each job, further motivating them to want to show up. And the third tip is communication. Make sure that you have a weekly one-on-one meeting with each one of your painters that's regularly scheduled that happens every single week. Make sure they like the jobs, they like the crew, and they're happy with everything going on. And you're gonna have a lot higher likelihood of retaining those painters, having them show up every day, and more importantly, being happy and productive workers.